Hi guys, it's Matthew again, and this is our second strategy for today. This is the first week of May 2024. Happy new month to everyone. Here we're going to be trading the Volatility 75 index, and we are going to be trading the touch no touch. We are using the 1 minute chart, and we are using the hollow chart type right there. So once you log into your trading account, go to dTrader and go to chart types, choose the time interval 1 minute, set this to hollow, then you will see all this right there. Then go to the touch no touch, then set the time to 3 minutes, then the amount you want to stake. We're going to be staking high here because we are going to win each of the trades. So then once what we're going to be watching is the last candle right here. So once the gap is closed like this, you can see this gap right here, you can see it's going down. Then you click on touch, you can see this closed gap right here. That's why you can see it's going down and it's closed. You can see right there it's closed, so I place that trade. So it's going up, it's going up. You can actually sell, but I'm going to wait for it to hit, for you to touch it, because we still have enough time, you know. So this is the time count right there. I can actually sell like I stated earlier, but I'll wait for it. It's still going to rebound. So it's going right up again, and we're going to touch it very soon. Let's just wait. Okay, you can see right there, we won that trade. So you have to be patient before you place the next trade, because it has gone right up. So you have to wait for it to go right down again before you click on touch. You can see it's going right down, it's going back up again. Have to wait for it to go down. You can see it goes right down there completely. Okay, so let's go again. It has gone down, so let's wait for the outcome of that trade. In the time count, we are close to touching it, so you can see we already won that trade right there. Just within a few seconds we already won that trade. So before we proceed, we're going to place more trades. So before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased a TOUCHSCALPER boat, there's a boat right there. To order the boat, all you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.cty technologies.com.ng. You can see some of the results of the boat. It's just 9.99 USD. You can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, debit card, bank transfer, and other payment options. The PIPSREAPER bot as well, it's another effective bot. To order the PIPSREAPER bot, visit binarypipsreaper.cty technologies.com.ng, and you can make payment using so many payment options on the other page. You also get a free ebook on how to trade synthetic indices when you order any of our bots, and you get a free bot as well. We give away free bots when you order any of our bots. You also get the ebook on how to trade Forex when you order any of our bots, and you get a free Forex bot as well, programmed by me, when you order any of our bots. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. So here are the links again. Is a link to, for those who don't have a trading account, is a link you use to sign up for a free trading account to test all the strategies on demo before you go live. So here are the links to order the bots. There's a link to order the PIPSREAPER bots. This is a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER bots, and here is a link to sign up for a free trading account for the synthetic indices trading. And here are the links to subscribe to our channels. As the first channel, is the second channel, and is the third channel. So here is a link to sign up for a trading account for the Forex, so as to test the bot we gave away for free. And here are the links to download the ebooks we gave away for free. So in the link, in the ebook links, you there's another link to download this is a link to download the free Forex ebook, and this is a link to download the synthetic indices ebook. So in the ebook, you see the free bots we gave away. The links to download them are there. Just download the ebooks. So here is a link to join our forum to read with the tutorial. So let's get back to the trading. Let's place one more trade. So it's going down. You have to wait. So make sure it's going right down before you click on touch. I have to wait because I just got back here, and I have to watch carefully and patiently. Okay. So it doesn't matter if it's like this or red. So far it's going down. Once it's going down and the margin is, is really pushing down, you can place the trade. So let's just wait a bit. So you can see it goes down right there, so I place the trade. So we're already in profit there. So I can actually sell now, but I'll wait for it to maybe hit small profit, or just close by itself. And these are time counts right there. So our sell option is no longer available, but we're gonna win the trade. So okay, I'm gonna win the trade soon. already in profit right there. We can't sell, so we have to wait for the trade to close by itself. These are time counts. So you can see right there, you can see we won all the trades. So you can see the strategy is 100% guaranteed. All you need to do is to just watch carefully, and you know, you always win when you're using the strategy. So as stated, this the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER bot right here. Visit www.touchscalper.cty technologies.com.ng, and the PIPSREAPER bot as well. And make sure you subscribe to all our channels. So these are the links right here. We're going to paste them in the video description on YouTube. There's a link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account, and these are the links to subscribe to all our trade channels right there. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.